This needs a phone. Wait, who are the? It was Garfield and Unicorn because it was a double elimination. What's today's contest? The contest is hide and seek yet again. Whoa! What in the heck they collagen? Why do your voice sound like? Don't ask. It's Rumpy. Yeah. Guys, I think the Seekers found the few of the other teammates. How many? 3. They meet their whole, just like 5, 2 more, and then we win the contest. Whatever. Hey guys, I'm one of the TLCers, and just because they lost, they're not going to be up for voting. But these two are. Vote to save. Vote Chucky's name and vote N's name. Voting ends July 5th. Not 5th. July, the last day of July. And hey guys, it's me, Tommy, and my friend Chucky and Ed and Six are sleeping. I'm just gonna carry Six in the TLC. Oh my god, I'm about to wake up the others. I better put him in real quick. What happened to her mouth? Whatever. She'll probably get it tomorrow. Or maybe that's her secret. That she don't have her mouth at 12:09 or whatever time it is right now. AM. That's close. Anyway, this is a quick celebration on our channel. If you all are on a phone and you see this visit community, you just click it and you see some stuff. Like your community is a space for you and your viewers to start content. And you get to see a lot of things. Like this post made two months ago. And you get to see, and this plushie is not for sale anymore. So if you haven't bought it yet, you missed out. But it's gonna be back on sale on July 23rd. Anyway, bye. See you next episode on episode 21.